today let's prepare refreshing mango sago dessert. So first you have to boil the sago, that is your sabudana or tapioca pearls, till it turns transparent. Next you strain it and keep it aside. Add milk in a saucepan and bring it to a boil. So once it starts boiling, reduce the heat. Add your condensed milk and give it a stir. Take half cup of milk. In this add 1 tablespoon of custard powder and dissolve it thoroughly. Then add this in the milk and keep stirring continuously till it becomes semi-thick. Once you attain the desired consistency, take it off the flame and allow it to cool. Finally, pour the cooled custard in a bowl. Add mango puree, your cooked sago and almond slivers. Mix it thoroughly and you can chill it in the refrigerator for later consumption.